Now we'll read entire words. How many consonants between two vowels? Divide where? We'll keep STR together, so we'll divide here. Read.
In.
Read.
Struct.
Read.
Instruct.
Do you see any irregular sight syllables at the end?
Yes. Tull.
We'll divide here. Read.
Set.
Where's the vowel?
Not at the end.
Long or short?
Short.
Sound. Read.
Set.
Read.
Tull.
Read.
Settle.
How many consonants between two vowels?
2.
Divide where?
Between.
We'll divide here. Read.
Kit.
Read.
10.
Try for the real word.
Kitten.
We say kitten because kit is stressed. The eh changed to what sound? What do you call it?
Schwa.
How many consonants between two vowels?
1.
Divide where?
First of 4.
Read.
Hey.
Read.
Bit.
Hey bit doesn't make sense. First try before, then try.
After.
We'll divide here. Read.
Ab.
Read.
It.
Try for the real word.
Habit.